Hey, you want to learn about Sim?
Oh, tell me how you feel about Sim.
It's Sim. Mannequins with knobs, modalities. Hands-on learners, a real beautiful thing. It's Sim. A shortened word for simulation. Interprofessional. Healthcare teams work together and everything changed. Well, the best thing about Sim is it's fake. Some Sims use virtual reality. Standardized patients put in hard work when they're play acting. For experiential learning, if you come to us, we can make a sim about it. Simulation came about to improve patient safety, reduce mistakes. Look at this mannequin with a knob, put makeup on. Learners suspend their disbelief. Realism is the goal here. Some seem a lot just disgusting, but that needs to change. It's Sim. Mannequins with knobs, modalities. For social work, OT, and nursing. It's Sim. Gonna tell you all about it. Patient safety is king. AI, virtual humans, everything's changed. We hope you have a Simtastic day.
A Simtastic day?
What? It's just a pun about Sim, okay? It's Sim. Don't try it first in the real world. That's what Sim's for. Sim's for. Do a Sim first. Sim first. Beep. Sim. Beepity 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 boop. Sim dance.
Okay, guys, time to end the song and do a Pearl's debrief.
No! It's Sim. Mannequins with knobs, modalities. Hands-on learners, a real beautiful thing. It's Sim. A shortened word for simulation. Interprofessional. Healthcare teams work together and everything changed. It's Sim. Mannequins with knobs, modalities. For social work, OT, and nursing. It's Sim. Now we can debrief all about it. Patient safety is king. AI, virtual humans, everything's changed. It's Sim.
Toady goes. Where Toady goes? Go.